Today is the 100th day of the farm protests. Across the borders of Delhi, farmers have been braving against all odds of nature, odds of the state, the might of the state. They've been there through the winters, harsh winters, rains, and now we are entering a harsh summer. They've braved all kinds of insults heaped upon them by the government and pro-government media. Today what we are witnessing is that there is an attempt to wipe out the narrative of farmers, to wipe out the narrative of their protests from the media. And we all know how it's done. Each one of us, whichever category we may belong to, have our own struggles. And that's the awareness on which the government depends. You and I may be caught up in making ends meet. You and I may be caught up in trying to ensure that we pay our timely EMIs, we pay our rents for our houses. You and I are struggling with all kinds of price rise, petrol, diesel, cooking gas, cooking oil, onion. You and I may be struggling to either keep our jobs or to look for a job. You and I may be struggling for justice for our women, our children. There is one category of society which has found time to protest, to come on the streets and protest. You and I don't have the time. We may have the sympathy. We may have the frustrations that each one of us is facing against this government. But there is a large and a very important section of our society, which is our farmers, which has found time and energy and consistency to protest against these black laws. They are the voice of each one of us. Let's support them, even if we do so silently. Whatever little we can do, let's do that. There were times when this government could only resort to and did only have to resort to headline management to shift the narrative. Now the country has seen through that. Now we are entering into a more dangerous arena where we don't know a cornered government. I don't call this a government, a cornered regime. How will they react now is for all of us to wait and watch. But the farmers have called this day as a black day. We think this is a black chapter in our democracy where peaceful protests, everything was done to disrupt these peaceful protests. They were demonized. All kinds of conspiracies were hatched against these farmers, but they stayed on.